My dear students, in the previous video, I have solved some problems in the exercise 6.1. In this video also, I am continuing to solve the problems in the exercise 6.1. Now in this video, I am going to solve the problem number 20, which states that solve the inequality by graph. Solve the inequality by graph. Graphical representation of the solution you have to give for this problem. X by 2 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus of 7x minus 3 by 5. You have to solve this problem and you express the solution by graph. This is x by 2 is greater than or equal to, taking LCM as 15, 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. By taking LCM, you get this. This is greater than or equal to 5 5s are 25x minus 5 2s are 10 minus 2 7s are 21x minus 2 minus plus 9 by 15. This is greater than or equal to 25 minus 21 is 4x minus 1 by 15. In the left hand side you have x by 2. Now cross multiplying, 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1, that is 15x is greater than or equal to 8x minus 2. 15 minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. And x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7 is nearly minus 0.28. In decimal notation, this is minus 2 by 7 is minus 0.28. So by graphical representation, a greater than value is on the right hand side, and in the positive side I mean, this is minus 1 and this is 0, 1 and so on. Minus 2 by 7 is in between minus 1 and 0. This is minus 2 by 7, that is minus 0.28. That is it is a left side of minus 0.5. So, like that, it is from this. See, this is greater than or equal to. That means you have to consider the point 2 by 7 also, and in the direction on the right hand side. This is the graph. You have to write it in bold line. That's all. This is the graph, which is on the right hand side is x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. This is the graph of the solution for the problem 20. You have to include minus 2 by 7, whereas in the interval you can write it as minus 2 by 7 in the left hand side closed and infinity on the right hand side open. Like that you have to indicate the solution. That is our problem 20. It is the graphical representation. Next, our problem 21. Next, problem 21 is given as Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third unit test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Ravi, 21 problem. Problem number 21. Ravi scored 20 and 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit tests. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two unit tests. What should Mr. Ravi score in the third unit test so that his average marks is at least 60 marks? Let the marks in the third unit test be marks in the third test B. Yes, same. So average mark in the three unit test is 70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3. At least 61 marks should have 60 marks. He should have at least 60. Therefore, it is greater than or equal to 60 marks. At least means 60 and above. So this is 70 plus 75 plus x should be greater than or equal to 180. 145 plus x is greater than or equal to 180. So this is x should be greater than or equal to 180 minus 145 should be greater than or equal to 35. So in the third unit test, Mr. Ravi should obtain the marks in the third unit test should be greater than or equal to 35. So solvable problem. Third test, Ravi should get at least 35 marks. At least 35 marks are greater than or equal to, that means. That's all about the problem. Next is problem number 22. Similarly, to receive grade A in a course, one should score average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. Sunita scored 87, 92, 94 and 95 marks in the 4 examinations. What is the marks Miss Sunita scored in the 5th revision, 5th examination, so that she should secure A grade, that is mark greater than or equal to 90. To get a grade A in a course, his average mark should be greater than or equal to 90. At least 90 marks should, yes, candidate should score for grade A. In an examination, the candidate should score A grade. He has to secure at least 90 marks, average of 90 marks there. Sunita's problem number 22. Sunita secured 82, 92, 94 and 95. 92, 94 and 95 marks in the 4 examinations. Let the marks scored in the 5th examination be in the 5th examination be X. So average is 82 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus the fifth exam is x divided by 5. So 87. I have a doubt. 87 is the first exam. Therefore, this is 82. 87. See, 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus x divided by 5 should be average at least 90. Therefore, greater than 90. So this is 5 plus 4, 9, 11, 18, 10, 19, 28, 36 plus x is greater than or equal to 590 or 450. The x should be greater than or equal to 450 minus 368 is greater than or equal to 10 minus 2. 14 minus 6 is 82. So x is greater than 82. That is the marks. Sunita should score at least 82 marks in the fifth examination so that she get A grade. So Sunita scored at least 82 marks. Sunita should score at least 82 marks in the fifth examination to secure a grade. That's all about the problem. This is 22. Problem 23. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that the sum is 11. Sum is more than 11. It is problem 23. Let the two consecutive positive odd numbers be x and x plus 2. Two consecutive positive odd numbers be x and x plus 2. Each number should be smaller than 10. Each should be smaller than 10. Each should be smaller than 10. That means smaller means the bigger number should be less than 10. It means it is x plus 2 is less than 10. Since a bigger number is less than 10, it is automatically x is also less than 10. So, two numbers should be smaller than 10 implies the larger number should be less than 10. And the sum is more than 11. Sum is more than 11. That means x plus 2 is more than 11, greater than 11. This is 2x plus 2 greater than 11. And that is 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. That is 9. 2x is greater than 9, x is greater than 9 by 2. That is greater than 4.5. X is greater than 4.5. And x plus 2 is less than 10. Since x plus 2, x is x plus 2 is less than 10. From equation x plus 2 is less than 10 and x is less than 10 minus 2, that is less than 8. X is less than 8 but greater than 4.5. So x is greater than 4.5 but less than 8. So odd number next to 4.5 is 5. Therefore the x values are x greater than 4.5, 5. Next one is 7 but less than 8. 5 and 7 only. Therefore x plus 2 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore the pairs are 5, 2 and 7, 9. These are the two pairs, required pairs, whose the numbers are greater than 11 but both the numbers are smaller than 10. These are the pair for this problem. This is 23. See, for that, the next problem, 24. Similarly, find all the consecutive pairs of even positive numbers. Both are larger than 5 and less than, the sum is less than 23. Larger than 5. Two consecutive even positive numbers. X and x plus 2, each should be larger than 5. Larger than 5. So larger than 5 means the smaller number should be greater than 5. X should be greater than 5. This is the equation. And the sum is less than 23. The sum is less than 23. Less than 23. That is 2x plus 2 less than 23. 2x is less than 23 minus 2, that is 21. 2x is less than 21, x is less than 21 by 2, that is 10.5. X is greater than 5. Similarly, in this case, x is greater than 5 and less than 10.5. X is greater than 5 but less than 10.5. Since even positive numbers, x is greater than, next positive number is, even positive number is 6 and 8 and should be less than 10.5 means you should include 10 also. So x plus 2 is 8, 10, 12. The pairs are 6, 8, 8, 10 and 10, 12. That's all. This is the problem number 23. And thereby I stop this video here itself and I will continue the remaining problems in the next video. Thank you.